All right, bought this 1979 F250 farm truck. It's a custom. It's got a 460 engine, and those of you who know anything about Ford big blocks, that means it's got a lot of horsepower. So great for your camper special. Got the sliding rear windows, C6 transmission. Yeah, it's got some rust on it. It's 294 doggy years old. Give me a break. So what I want you guys to see here is there is some rust, not trying to hide it. This particular one has this slide out bed. I've got a nice picture of it, but I do have the original tailgate that's in pristine condition. I'll put pictures of that on the ad as well. We all want to hear, does this 42-year-old pickup truck start? What does a 460 sound like? Let me just tell you. I'm gonna pump it twice, because that's what you do. Then we're gonna fire this puppy up. Now, listen to this. There's no rattle in that cage. There's no rattle in that cage. Let's see what this engine looks like under the hood. I'm the third owner. I bought it from Craig McKinney Farms. It's now Avon Wedding Venue. Craig sold it to me. He bought it when it had 20,000 miles from the original owner. When it turned 101,000 miles, Craig rebuilt the transmission. I bought it at 128,000 miles. It's got 132,000 miles on it. I've had it for 7 years. I seldom drive it. I was going to rebuild it, but I think I'm ready to let it go. My loss is your gain. It also comes with another big block 460 and another C6 transmission. May need to be rebuilt, but I'll throw that in for my price.